In the previous video, we examined how to upload a file to your file manager. Now we'll look at a different way of displaying the content using modules. A module is just a collection of any kind of content in your course. They let you organize your content by weeks, chapters, units, and on and on. In most cases, they allow students to review content in a linear fashion. If you're looking for a quick start and want a nice way of delivering files to students in your face-to-face class, using modules is a great option. So to find the module area, we'll click on the modules link in the navigation menu. So here is the main module dashboard. Click the plus module button to create a new one. Give it a name, and we'll call it Week 1. Notice that you can lock it until a certain date. I'll leave it blank for now, since I want students to see this immediately. And I'll click the Add Module button. So once you create your first module, you need to add things to it. In this example, I want to start by adding my course syllabus. So I'll click this little plus icon, and I'll click this drop down up here. And this gives me a list of all the different things I can add. So take note that you can add your assignments, quizzes, and many other things. Right now we're going to add files. Since in the previous video I uploaded my syllabus file, it's already in my important documents folder. So I simply highlight the file that I want to upload. And before adding it, notice this indentation option. If you have a large amount of content, you may want to indent to show subcategories. For now, I'll leave it blank, or I'll leave it as a don't indent, and I'll click Add Item. Okay, so I've added my syllabus. This module will appear about the same way to students. So they'll just click this link, and then they'll have an option of downloading the file to their computer. Let's add one more file, only this time we'll upload it directly into this new module. So we'll click the plus sign again. File is already selected, so I highlight New File. Then I click the Choose File button down here. And here I am at my Fall 2015 folder, and I pick Week 1. This is a PowerPoint. Click Open. Notice you can choose which folder this file will appear in your file manager. So I'll stick it in Important Documents. Leave it as a don't indent and add item. Alright, so now we have our Week 1 PowerPoint available for students. So before we finish here, notice this little gray cloud. This is the Publish option. So if this cloud is gray, the one that's next to the module title, it means that it's not published and students won't be able to see it. So if you want to make this available, you have to click that. So once you have that little green check mark, it means it is available and ready to view. And so that's a basic module. One of the reasons this is such a great way to present content is that modules can be exported and imported into your other classes, making it very easy to copy content from a previous semester. So, to continue this tour of Canvas, watch the next video about setting your homepage.